Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Backblaze for unlimited backups, easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in backblaze.com and press enter. Once the Backblaze homepage loads, look for the personal section. Click on the backup option under the personal section. On the backup page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign-up process. You will be directed to a page where you can download the Backblaze application. Click the download button to download the installer for your operating system. Once the download is complete, find the installer in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to launch the Backblaze setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, the Backblaze application will launch automatically. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to start a free trial. Click on the button that says Sign up for a free trial. You will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Fill in your email and password, then click Create Account. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for the confirmation message from Backblaze. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verifying your email, return to the Backblaze application. Log in using the email and password you just created. Once logged in, you will be taken to the backup configuration screen. Select the folders you want to backup, or leave the default settings for a full backup. Then, click on the Continue button to proceed. The application will start backing up your files automatically. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Here you will find details about your subscription plan. Click on Manage Subscription to choose your billing options. Select the payment plan that suits you best. After selecting your plan, enter your payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.